Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will focus on how to refresh data inside Power BI Query Editor. We will also cover what is Refresh Preview, when and how to use Refresh Preview. For this demonstration, we will use the Maven Market Customers CSV file. In the previous video, we saw how to import data into Power BI Query Editor. Now, let's resume from there. As you can see on the screen, we have the Maven Market Customers CSV file in Power BI Query Editor. Before diving into execution, let me first explain what is Refresh Preview. In simple terms, Refresh Preview helps update the data that you are currently seeing in Power BI Query Editor. If any changes are made to the data source, like adding new rows, modifying values, or removing records, you won't see those changes in the query editor unless you use the Refresh Preview option. It's important to note that this refresh updates the preview of the data in the query editor only. It does not load the data into your Power BI report. This means that refresh preview is useful when you are still working on your data preparation and you need to see the latest version of your data inside the query editor. Now, the question is, when should you use refresh preview? Here is an answer for it. You should use it when the data you are working with has been updated at the source, like if someone added new records to your CSV file or if a database you are connected to gets updated. By refreshing the preview, you can make sure that what you are looking at inside the Power BI matches the latest version of the data outside of Power BI. Now that we know when to use it, we should also get to know how to use it. We first need to open Power BI Query Editor. We are already here. On the Home tab, you will see the Refresh Preview button in the toolbar. This button tells Power BI to update the preview with any changes made to the data source. Now let's see how it works in practice. I am going to open the Maven Market Customers raw data from my file manager. Here, I will add two new rows to the CSV file. Let's say we will name this rows as 00 and account number as 111 and this as 4 twos. After adding this data, I'll save it. I clicked on Ctrl S. Now, let's switch back to the Power BI Query Editor. To refresh the data preview, I will click on Refresh Preview button in the toolbar. As you can see, after refreshing, the two new rows we have added are now visible in the Power BI Query Editor. This confirms that the data has been updated and Power BI is now showing the latest version. To put in short, Refresh Preview in Power BI Query Editor allows you to update the data preview when there are changes to the data source, ensuring that you are working with the most recent version of your data. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.